Good morning, Erev Shabbat Shalom. This coming Shabbat is a very special Shabbat. It's going to be Be'ezrat Hashem Shabbat, Rosh Chodesh with Parashat HaChodesh, taking out 3 Sifrei Torah. There's a very interesting one of the Sifrei Mekubalim, Sefer Echalot, which is attributed to Rabbeinu Ishmael ben Elisha Kohen Gadol, the Tanna. It writes over there in that Sefer that there's a special Hechal, a special room or a special gate in the Shamayim that only opens up on a Shabbat when 3 Sifrei Torah are taken out. So it's a tremendous Ait Ratzon. A person wants to pray, whatever it is. On this Shabbat we have 3 Sifrei Torah, Shabbat, Parashat Tazria, Rosh Chodesh, we read in Parashat Pinchas, and Parashat HaChodesh, which is in Parashat Bo. Now, the proper way to break up the Kriyat Torah this week is as follows. A person should try to finish Parashat HaShavua, Parashat Tazria, in 6 aliyot. You read the entire parasha, instead of 7 aliyot, you read it in 6. Now, at the end of that, you do not say a Kaddish because the Chovat HaYom has not yet been completed. Shabbat requires a minimum of 7 aliyot. Then what do? Without Kaddish, you go to the second Sefer Torah, which you'll read, Parashat Rosh Chodesh, which is in Parashat Pinchas, Uvyom HaShabbat, Uvrashei Chodshechem. At that point, you'll already have 7 aliyot, which means that after the second Sefer, you'll say Kaddish. Then afterwards, on the third Sefer Torah, you read Parashat HaChodesh, which is HaChodesh Hazeh Lachem Rosh Chodeshim in Parashat Bo. Once again, because it's a special maftir in another Sefer Torah, Minhag HaSfaradim is to say another Kaddish after that. So technically, you should be saying on the Shabbat 2 Kaddishim. There's a possibility, Maran Zechron Bracha writes in Yabi Omer, where a person could technically be saying 3 Kaddishim. How so? If a person reads 7 or more aliyot in Parashat Tazria, Parashat HaShavua, which means instead of reading 6, which is the minimum that you needed to do, if you read 7 or 8, however many mosifim you did in Parashat Tazria, since you read 7 aliyot in that parasha, you'll say Kaddish after the first Sefer Torah. Then again after the second Sefer Torah, Parashat Rosh Chodesh. Then again after the third Sefer Torah, Parashat HaChodesh. Now again, it's not necessarily people think, wow, the more Kaddishim the merrier. It's not a mitzvah to say more Kaddishim, to read more aliyot in order to gain another Kaddish. No, it's not necessarily. If you can read Parashat HaShavua in 6, leave it as that. But if you did it, then you'll be able to say 3 Kaddishim. And the Haftarah this week is for Parashat HaChodesh, whereas during Shnai Mikra V'Echad Targum, you're going to be reading the Haftarah for Parashat Tazria, but with regards to Kriyat Torah tomorrow, the Haftarah is going to follow that of Parashat HaChodesh, which is the Haftarah in Yechezkel. Yom Tov and Shabbat Shalom V'Urach.